Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 1.1% in the last session, after a 1.6% intra-session dip. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The euro gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound fall 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices rebounded, rising more than 2% after data showed US crude and gasoline inventories fell unexpectedly last week, and on reports that OPEC Plus may delay a planned oil output increase. German inflation rose more than expected in October to 2.4%. Preliminary data from the Federal Statistics Office showed higher than 2.1% estimated by economists. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has surpassed $30 billion in holdings, reflecting increasing demand for the world's leading cryptocurrency. The world's largest asset manager reached the mark less than 10 months after launching its Bitcoin ETF, which began trading on January the 10th.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0:30 GMT. Australia's export price index at 0:30 GMT. The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate at 10 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 3 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.